So, today we were gonna talk about arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. First, arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence of number in which each term after the first is obtained by adding a fixed constant to the previous term. This constant is called the common difference. The common difference. The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Linear progressions. The sequence progresses a linear fashion with each term increasing or decreasing by the same amount. Example.
Is the formula of arithmetic sequence 4, 8, 12, and 16. We will gonna find the 11th term. First, is of 11. Let's copy the 11 here and 4 plus 11 minus 1 is, and then the D. So ace of 11, let's copy again the 4 and plus 11 minus 1 is equal to 10, and then let's copy the 4. 4 plus 10 times 4 is equal to 40, and the answer is 44.
Arithmetic sequence have numerous applications in various fields including mathematics. Arithmetic sequences are used to model linear relationships and solve problems involving patterns. Finance arithmetic sequences are used to calculate interest and rates. So investments, and loan payments. Then number three, science arithmetic sequence are used to model population growth, chemical